It's still raining.
I know, sweetie. No park today.
I have an idea. Let's visit Grandma.
Yes! Grandma's house! Can I bring the strawberry jam?
Of course. Grandma loves it.
Daddy, my boot is stuck!
Push, push. There you go.
I love the rain sound.
Stay close, everyone! The trees look wet and shiny.
Rain makes everything look new.
Whoa, that was a big puddle!
Hold on, more coming.
Hi, Mom. Come in, come in. Quick, before you get soaked. Oh, look how big you've grown.
Grandma, there's a cat! What's cooking?
Chicken soup. Perfect for a rainy day. Want to see something special? In the attic.
Yes, please.
This was your mom's when she was little.
It's beautiful.
I remember this song.
Such a perfect afternoon.
Look, a rainbow!
Come back soon, my loves.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun learning adventures.